XR content creation and world-building pre-college program was designed to immerse rising high school juniors and seniors in the world of extended reality at Studio X. Over 2 weeks, students learned how XR projects are created and made their own VR minigames with custom assets.
These students came from all across the country to participate in this program. And a lot of them have never used this software before, Unity and Blender. We're excited and proud of the work they were able to do in such a short time span.